This case, people were talking justice delayed, justice denied, 10 years, no justice, case is just dragging on. The family is distraught, the brothers, the relatives, even the accused themselves, they've been 2 to 3 years in custody. And here's this stupid judge called Ratha Mokgoatlheng. You allow a person who's representing 2 of the accused here to go and run a marathon. I must go and tell the JP. When the JP asked me, why were you not sitting, or the DJP, why were you not sitting on Monday? No, we're waiting for Advocate Mnisi to come drive back to Joburg, to wherever, because he was running a marathon. This is South Africa, run by blacks. I can tell you now, even if you call me an Uncle Tom, I don't think a white advocate can have the gall to ask me that. Never.
Well, it's these remarks that got Judge Ratha Mokgoatlheng into hot water and resulted in a backlash, including from the legal fraternity. Mokgoatlheng then started this morning's proceedings by apologizing to the nation and his colleagues for his comments.
I spoke to the JP, and the JP spoke to me together with the DJP. And the JP rightfully excoriated me for my conduct, that it is not befitting of a judge of my experience and stature, that I should have behaved like I did. And I agree. My conduct was questionable and incorrect. And my wife also, who I thought, young Saba is afraid of me, told me that I should apologize to the whole of South Africa because I am worse than the attorneys who apparently steal the monies of clients in the RAF matter. She was reading a paper the other day about the fact that attorneys apparently, and they're colorless, stole about 1.5 billion of RAF funds which belong to clients. And I wish now to tender my sincerest apologies. It's contra my nature to do that. I have a son, he just died recently, who's an advocate. He's older than you, Ms. Mshololo. He was born in 1968. He died because of lymphatic cancer. I think he would have also have been disappointed at my conduct. That's why I say I heartily and unreservedly, with no qualification, apologize to my colleagues here, to the accused. They say I mustn't call you the accused. They are correct. The gentleman in front of me.
Mokgoatlheng went further in his apology, inviting the defense to bring an application if they felt he was unfit to run the trial.
The gentleman in front of me, if you believe that I, as a judge, am so useless, dumb, baluka, moho, etc., and you think you can't get a fair trial from me, please tell me. I'll recuse myself. I don't want to impose myself on people who doubt my integrity, honor, and dignity. And I mean it. If you think this judge, the way he's a racist, the way he doesn't care for the Constitution, he's not fit to be our judge, please tell me, and I'll recuse myself.
Well, the state also brought an application to introduce 16 new photos of accused number 2, Bongani Ntanzi, 2 photos of accused number 1, Muzi Sibiya, and 1 photo of accused number 3, Mthobisi Mncube, which was shot from 3 different angles. Well, the photos of Mncube, who the state contends was the gunman, allegedly depict him with a gold tooth and dreadlocks, this description given by witnesses who took the stand.
In paragraph 3.1, that it is respectfully submitted that it is in the interest of justice to allow this evidence, as it will assist the court to adjudicate on the issues that are in dispute, and that the evidence is therefore relevant.
Well, Advocate Charles Mnisi was not present in court, and his clients, accused number 1 and accused number 3, wanted him to respond to the application, this prompting an early adjournment. Crisalda Lewis, SABC News, at the High Court in Pretoria.